Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing the py-espeak text-to-speech (TTS) engine for Python. py-espeak is a compact open-source software speech synthesizer for English and other languages. By integrating py-espeak with Python, you can convert text into spoken words programmatically. Before we begin, make sure you have the following. We'll be using the py-espeak-ng library, which is a Python wrapper for the py-espeak-ng next generation library. Here's how to install it. Open your terminal or command prompt. On Windows, you can press Win+R, type cmd, and hit enter. On macOS or Linux, you can open the terminal from the applications or using keyboard shortcuts. Run the following command to install the py-espeak-ng library using pip. This command will download and install the necessary files for the py-espeak Python wrapper. To verify that py-espeak is installed correctly, you can run a simple Python script. Create a new Python script file named test_espeak.py and open it in a text editor. Then, paste the following code into the file. Save the file and close the text editor. Now, navigate to the directory where you saved test_espeak.py using the terminal or command prompt. Then, execute the following command. You should hear py-espeak saying hello, welcome to py-espeak. If you encounter any errors, make sure you've followed the installation steps correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed py-espeak for Python and tested its functionality. You can now integrate text-to-speech capabilities into your Python applications using py-espeak. Explore the py-espeak-ng documentation for more advanced usage and customization options. Happy coding! ChatGPT